Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm your math teacher. I am Shagufta Makbool. Today, our topic is subtraction. Today, our topic is subtraction. I am starting my topic with an activity. Before starting activity, first of all, I will tell what is meaning of subtraction. Subtraction means to take away. Subtraction means to take away, to remove. How many left after taking away? Let's start. How many lollipops are here? How many lollipops are here? First of all, we will have to count, then we will subtract. How many lollipops are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 lollipops are here. So I am going to remove one lollipop. I am going to remove one lollipop. I am going to remove one lollipop. After removing, how many lollipops are left? Let's count. 1, 2. At this time, we have 2 lollipops. We can say answer is 2. Answer is 2. Look at here. Do you want to eat toffees? Do you want to eat candies? How many candies are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 toffees are here. I want to eat one toffee. So I will take away this toffee. So I am going to take away this one. So how many toffees are here? We can count. How many candies are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candies are here. Answer is 4. We can say at this time we have 4 candies. Look at these. Do you want to eat? No? I want to eat 5 bunties. Do you want to eat? I want to eat 5 bunties. I like bunties. So I am going to take away 5. I am going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this time, I am going to take away 5. After removing 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many bunties are left? I am going to count how many bunties are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bunties are here. After taking 5 bunties, at this time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bunties are left. 9 bunties are left. Look at here, students. Again we are seeing toffees or candies. Do you want to eat candies? Do you want to eat toffees? I want to eat toffees at this time. First of all, we will have to count how many candies are here. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candies are here. How many candies are here? 8 candies are here. I want to eat 4 candies. So I am going to take 4 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4. At this time, I want 4 candies. So I am going to take away 4 candies. So students, how many candies are left at this time? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. After giving 4 candies and after taking 4 candies, at this time we have 4 candies. We have 4 candies at this time. We have 4 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 candies at this time. So students, we can say subtraction means to take away. Subtraction means to remove how many left after taking away. At this time, 4 candies are left after taking away. Okay students, after watching this video, now you are able to tell to anyone what is meaning of subtraction. You can tell to anyone easily. Subtraction means to take away. Subtraction means to take away. After watching this video, you will be able to do sums of subtraction by yourself. If you are feeling any difficulty in doing this work, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.